Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. In this particular video, we'll see the custom date and how to calculate the age from date of birth. For custom date, I have to select another sheet, this one. Now see, suppose I want to know the days of the week of these particular dates. For that, I have to write equal to and I'm just going to select this cell. And after pressing enter, I'll get the same date as it is, that is 11th February 2016. But I want days of the week, whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. For that, I need to change the format of this cell. So for that, I have to just right click here. From this pop-up menu, I have to select format cell option. Now see, from the date option, I need to select the format of days of the week, but I do not get any format of that type. So I need to create my own custom date. For I have to select this custom option. Now see, this is showing some type. I need to change the type. I have to just press D. When I press D, in this box it is showing me 11. That is the date. 11 is the date in my selected cell. Again I am going to press D. It is showing nothing. Again D. It is showing THU, the short form of Thursday, but I need the full name. So again I have to press one more D. Then it is showing me the full name of the day. Then I have to press OK. That means Thursday is on 11th February 2016. If I want on this whole cell, so we need to just drag it down. So in this way, we can find the day of the week of particular date and we can customize our own way. Now come to another type, that is how to calculate the age from date of birth. Now see, I have written some sample of data. Suppose I have written my date of birth and current date. I want to know how many years old I am, how many months, days. So for that, I have to just write a function, that is day difference equal to date difference. In the round bracket, I have to select the date of birth and after that I have to select the current date. Suppose I want to calculate only years, total number of years, how many years old I am. So I have to just write Y in quotes and close the bracket. After pressing enter, I'll get 36. That means 36 years old I am right now. If I want to calculate the total number of months of my age, for that I have to just press equal to date differ. Now select the date of birth, current date, and now this time I have to write M in quotes and close the bracket. Once I'll press enter, I'll get the total number of months of my age. That means 432 months old I am. If I want to calculate the days only, same, I have to just write date differ. I have to just select the date of birth, comma, current date, and this time I need to write D in quotes. Now see, I am 13,171 days old, but I am not interested in this. I want to know how many years, months and days old I am. For that I have to write here equal to date DIF difference equal to date of birth, comma, current date, comma. Again I am going to write y. It will show the same result as years. Now difference will be in another function, that is in months. I have to write date difference, date of birth, comma, current date, comma. Now this time I am going to write ym. Why I typed ym? It will divide the difference with the years, and whatever months will be remainder, it will show the result. Now see, the remainder is 0 in this particular example. That means 0 months. For the date, I have to just press equal to date DIF, starting date, that is date of birth, current date, and this time I need to write MD. It will divide difference with months, and whatever days will be remainder, it will show. Now see 21. That means this time I am 36 years old, 0 months and 21 days. So in this way we can calculate the exact age from the date of birth. That's it for this video.